The 4 easiest ways to learn about dropshipping so you don't get left behind. What is up everyone, Shri Kanase here and welcome to another Shopify video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can learn about dropshipping super fast so that you don't get left behind. Because the truth is, the highest amount of people have jumped into dropshipping this year and the competition has increased tremendously. So it is super important for you to know how to learn about dropshipping and e-commerce in general super fast so that you can stay 2 steps ahead of the competition. But if you're new to this channel, like always, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. I'm putting out a lot of quality content basically every week and it's really going to help you in your e-commerce journey. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I decided to make this video a little bit different. So what I did is I went ahead and wrote all of the stuff down and highlighted it in black so that I can go along as I speak. But the very first way that I have on my list on how to learn about dropshipping super fast is Facebook e-commerce group. Now the main reason why I have this as number 1 on my list is because Facebook groups is literally the best way to be learning about Shopify and e-commerce in 2018. And the main reason being, there has been a huge increase in the amount of people that have jumped into dropshipping, and many of these people have joined Facebook groups. I have 2 Facebook groups that I recommend that everybody joins. The first one being my own Facebook group. The link is down in the description below. It's free for you to join and has a lot of amazing content which I have written out, and also a lot of questions asked by other people which you may also have. And the second group, which I definitely recommend for every single beginner out there, is called Ecom Empires. This is literally the number 1 group for Shopify and e-commerce right now. The easiest way to learn about dropshipping is through Facebook groups, mainly because there are a lot of newcomers that have joined these groups and they are asking questions that many of other beginners also have. So basically all of your questions have already been answered on these Facebook groups and it is a really good resource to learn from. There are also posts about people who have found a lot of success with Shopify, and these people post their experience and how they achieved the success, as well as people who have struggled with Shopify and eventually quit. You get to also learn from these kinds of people by knowing exactly what made them quit and what was the turning point in their Shopify life. But it is absolutely super convenient to be learning from other people in these Facebook groups and trying to pick apart their brain to see what kind of things they have been doing and how they have been finding their success. So number 1 on my list again is Facebook groups. Make sure to join as many as you can, especially if you're a beginner. And the second item on my list is marketing books. Now a special note in this. Notice how I said marketing books and not Shopify dropshipping books or e-commerce books. The main reason for this is that e-commerce is basically a marketing game. The better marketer wins. So in order to really do well with Shopify and dropshipping in general, you're gonna have to have a good grasp on marketing. I have already made a video on the top 5 marketing books that I recommend. The link is in the description. Make sure to check that video out and really invest some of your capital that you have into these books. Believe it or not, these books can really take you a long way in your dropshipping career. The better you understand marketing, the better you're gonna do in dropshipping. Moving on to the third item on my list, which is hiring a mentor. Now I'm just gonna say this, but proceed with caution when you do this. There are many fake mentors out there who all they want to do is just take your money. So you really have to search up the person you're trying to buy mentoring from and basically figure out whether this person is trustable or not. I personally offer mentoring as well, so if you are interested in getting mentored by me, let me know down in the comment section below. But there is no wrong in paying for mentoring. You're basically getting a lot of knowledge straight up from someone who has already applied that knowledge and become successful. But it's all about getting the right mentor who really puts your benefits ahead and focuses on them instead of themselves. So that is another super easy way to learn about dropshipping, especially if you have some money to invest in a mentor. And moving on to our fourth and final item on our list, which is YouTube videos. You may already be doing this since you're watching my video right now, but again, you really need to proceed with caution. There are many people out there who don't know what the hell they're doing, but they're making YouTube videos on Shopify and e-commerce. So again, it is super important for you to know who to trust and what kind of videos to watch. The more people that you watch on YouTube, the more strategies that you're gonna be bombarded with. Because every single person out there has different experience with e-commerce. And something that works for me may not work for you, or it may not work for someone else that you watch. So again, you wanna really be cautious about who you're trusting and what kind of strategies that you're applying to your own e-commerce store. Because if you apply the wrong strategies which don't work for you, you may end up losing a lot of money. So proceed with caution, watch people who you truly believe have your benefit in mind, and even then, test out different strategies to really find out what works for you and what doesn't. But these were the top 4 things that can really help you learn dropshipping fast in 2018, especially with the competition that has been increasing significantly. But if you found any type of value in this video, make sure to leave a like down below. It really motivates me to put out even more videos just like these ones, and I'll see you guys next time.